Hello everyone, welcome back to the Chanel Daily Trending Hub. The B-2 Spirit is a machine that seems to have been dreamed up by science fiction writers and then built in secret, a smooth, bat-like flying wing that slips through the electromagnetic fingers of modern air defenses. From a distance it looks almost sculptural, a continuous, low-profile surface with no vertical tail, no obvious seams, and edges blended to scatter radar. Up close the exterior reveals the compromises of stealth engineering. Radar-absorbent coatings, carefully faired engine inlets and exhausts, and panel joints designed to minimize radar returns. Its silhouette is its defense. Minimal protrusions, flush surfaces, and a shape optimized to deflect detection rather than rely on speed or armor. Stepping inside is surprisingly restrained compared with the dramatic exterior. The cockpit is a two-seat arrangement with modern avionics oriented around mission systems rather than creature comforts. Controls are ergonomic. Displays provide fused sensor information, and much of the B-2's capability comes from its onboard mission computer rather than manual piloting. Cabin space is functional, cramped for long missions but designed to support the crew for extended sorties with the essential systems they need. Underneath that stealthy skin lies a performance profile tailored for strategic reach and survivability. The B-2 is built for long-range, high-persistence missions. It can carry a significant internal weapons load, precision-guided munitions and nuclear ordnance, while remaining low observable. It cruises at high subsonic speeds with a fuel fraction and aerial refueling capability that grant it intercontinental reach. The flying wing design reduces drag and contributes to efficient long-distance flight, while advanced materials and signature reduction techniques keep its radar cross-section extraordinarily small. Its engines are buried and shielded to reduce infrared and radar signatures, and the airframe integrates multiple systems to manage heat, emissions, and electromagnetic emissions during a mission. Safety on such a rare and strategic platform is a complex, multi-layered affair. Redundancy is built into flight control systems and avionics, and fly-by-wire controls help stabilize the inherently unstable flying wing configuration. The aircraft is supported by rigorous maintenance protocols focused not only on mechanical readiness but on preserving low observable characteristics. Repairs, recoating, and careful handling are part of everyday safety work. Crews train extensively for emergency procedures, and mission planning emphasizes deconfliction, threat avoidance, and in-flight refueling safety. Additionally, the B-2 benefits from secure, hardened communications and defensive electronic measures designed to reduce risk in contested environments. What truly sets the B-2 apart are its unique selling points: unmatched low observability on a large, heavy bomber platform, the ability to carry diverse, powerful payloads deep into highly defended airspace, and the psychological and strategic impact of a bomber that can appear over distant targets with little warning. Unlike platforms that depend on speed or massed formations, the B-2's value is in denial, denying adversaries the ability to reliably detect and track a penetrating bomber force. Its design enables standoff and precision strikes with reduced need for dedicated suppression of enemy air defenses, shifting how planners can think about strategic options and deterrence. There are trade-offs, of course. The B-2 program is famously expensive. Each aircraft represents a multi-billion-dollar investment when procurement and development costs are accounted for, and that high price, combined with the complexity of maintaining low observability, limits fleet size. The aircraft requires a specialized infrastructure, hangars designed to control environmental exposure, specially trained maintenance crews, and periodic upgrades to avionics and mission systems to keep pace with evolving threats. These factors mean the aircraft is not a mass-produced workhorse but a scarce, high-value tool intended for carefully chosen missions. From a mission planning perspective, the B-2's strengths open options that other aircraft struggle to match. It can deliver precision conventional strikes to neutralize high-value targets, provide nuclear deterrent capability, and act as a force multiplier in combined operations where stealth and surprise matter most. The aircraft's contribution is as much about strategic signaling as it is about ordnance on target. The mere capability to project a nearly undetectable heavy bomber across the globe alters calculations for potential adversaries and reassures allies that long-range options exist. In conclusion, the B-2 Spirit is a statement in metal and composite, a platform that chooses stealth, precision, and reach over numbers and brute force. It represents a philosophy of aviation that prioritizes denial of detection and mission assurance in the most contested environments. For those reasons, it remains one of the most iconic and talked about aircraft in modern airpower, a complex blend of cutting-edge engineering, strategic utility, and significant cost. Whether admired for its elegant flying wing form or evaluated for its contribution to deterrence, the B-2 continues to shape conversations about how airpower can be projected in the 21st century.